Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. In relation to the third development of technology, it will pin out the correcture. Any correcture based upon the confluence, it will work out 8536, 8541 in relation to the teleport. The teleport is a fifth division to complex itself into network 5. In relation to third round, it is the consumption of the Pirasul to position itself into the data core. The data core is 1PF315. In relation to Surfunk, the equivalent of sharing a dream is an essay of knowing how to cook on the better days of life for the position. Any position based upon the Testament of law and the element of law will rewire itself into Mars. The equivalent of sharing a dream is Mars 8321. The 8321 is a console. Any console based upon the testament of law and the element of law will reposition itself into the data core. The data core is 1PF315 in relation to Surfunk. The dreamer will have a testament of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in relation to Surfunk, it is an equation of 10,3,4,6,4,1 in relation to the subject. The subject is 1 on P, 6 on P and 10 on P by the border. The border is the dimension of the element of the design for the protocol. Any protocol in network 532 is a composition. The composition will realign itself into the doors to heaven based upon the game machine. The game machine is 1PF315 and the order. In relation to Surfunk, this is the question command. The inworm of the teshkama of law based upon the element of law by the border is the dimension of the element. This is Jupiter. In relation to Jupiter, it is a confunction of the element of design for the protocol. Any protocol in network 5321 is a fifth deployment of life cycle. The life cycle will reposition itself into the door. Any door in relation to 30 rocks of ABFG is a confunction of the element. The element of the design for the protocol is network 5321 in relation to Surfunk. The equivalent to share the dream is the testament of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in the confunction of the Pirasul, it will re-whip itself into the heaven, and then it will sing a song. In relation to the third development of technology, it will pin out the correcture of realignment of time. The spirit of the sun will burst into tears to heaven based upon the element of design for the protocol. Any protocol of network 5321 is a subject to 3241 in relation to conclusion. The conclusion of the element will phase itself, PHASE, is an Instagram of technology for 1PF315 in relation to the ruler. Any ruler in relation to the subject, it will perform itself into network 1. This is the testament of law by the border. And in each border, the confunction of the pyramid will confunction itself into the drama. Any drama in relation to the subject, it will perform itself into network 5, the offspring.